Okay, welcome back. Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Had your lunch?
Yes, sir.
यस सर
बहुत हो गया क्या?
Yes,
बहुत हो गया क्या?
नहीं थोड़ा
Light.
बहुत खाया आप
Okay.
सोएंगे
Then you are going to sleep in this class.
बहुत खाया
यस
But I will not allow you to sleep.
बहुत खाया तो सोना
I will
पड़ेगा
ask
सर.
you all the questions. It means all the problems you have to solve. You have to tell the step by step. Okay, then only I will solve. Otherwise, I will not solve. Okay, I will not allow you to sleep. Okay, only 32 people are joined. Have you solved this problem? Fourth problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
What is the answer? Chat box में लिखिए. Yes, answer fx and fy. fx equal to कितना आ गया? fy equal to कितना है? Chat box में लिखिए.
Of which question, sir?
Fourth one. For the fourth question, so that I will come to know whether you have solved or not. Who will read the first? Yes, roll number 61, Karan has written. Okay. Roll number 15 got a different answer. Roll number 61 got different answer. Okay. Okay. Okay, FY is correct, but FX is wrong. Yes, FX. Yes, type it, all of you. Screen is visible, no? Full screen?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 34. Yes, I think roll number 61. Your okay, correct. It's the roll number 15. You have got different answer. Okay. Yes, I am receiving some of the answers. Yes, good. Still, you are having some confusion with a minus or plus. FX is someone is written plus 34.64, but someone is written minus 34.64. So see, FX will be positive or negative. It is in which quadrant? 40 degree kilo 330. 330 is in which quadrant? Which one I am here? Third one? Fourth one.
Fourth quadrant, sir.
मैंने fourth one दिया था ना आपको homework. Yes. 330 is in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant में positive x direction. So you will get positive answer, no? So some people have written minus. Why minus? No minus. Okay, fourth quadrant is positive only. See, just I will solve that. I will write the what has to be written. एक problem है ना? Okay, we'll check it. See what it will become. ऐसे है force है. Okay, quadrant है. So 40 kilonewton. So 40 kilonewton is 330 degrees. 330 degrees. Okay. So this is from the 330 is here. It will come. X-axis towards the point. Is. So towards the point is so this is towards the point. Okay. This is a V2. So he has given 330 degree. 330 degrees कहाँ से है वो? 330 degrees is from the x-axis. So from here to here, he has given it is 330 degree. think it is not visible. Okay. ये 330 कहाँ से है? इधर से इधर तक है. Okay. This is 330 is given, but I want angle with respect to x-axis. That is with respect to horizontal axis. This is the theta. So how much is this theta? This will be 360 minus 330. So you will get it as 30 degree. Okay, that is in positive. See, yes, minus is correct. So many people have written plus. See, what is given? X-axis. Okay, towards the point is given. Towards the point means what? It is acting at the origin. Okay, force is going in this direction. It means in the second quadrant. So Fx is how much? So how will you write the Fx? Fx is equal to So it is going in this direction. So what is the answer? How it is moving? Whether it is moving in a positive x direction or negative x direction? See,
Fx will be positive, sir. Fy will be negative.
No. You are wrong.
No,
So
not
Fx
sir.
is
Fx is negative.
yes, Fx is negative. See, all of you see here, Fx will be negative. See, it is going towards the point. So this is Fx and
Yes,
this is
yes.
Fy. So Fx is going towards the negative direction. So I will take white page only. Wait a minute. I will share a white page. Whiteboard. See, I will draw here only. See, most of the people are having confusion whether it is a positive or negative. So this is y x-axis, this is one axis. Okay. Okay. So here, how it will be the force? The force is acting at this point. Okay. So force is acting at like this. So how much is the force? So this is arrow. This is acting towards the point. This is the arrow marker. And from this point to this point, how much it is given? This is 330 degree. I want to find out this angle. This angle will be how much? This is a 30 degree. Okay. Now you have to calculate. You should know how will be the its component. So it is going in this direction. No, it means its component is one is horizontal direction like this, and one more is vertical direction in this direction. Okay. So vertical is moving upward direction. Horizontal is moving. It is in left hand side direction. Now left hand side means Fx कैसे रहता?
Negative.
So
Negative.
Fx is equal to, it is negative f cos theta. So f कितना है? How much is f? F कितना है?
I think 40 दिया है sir.
40. Okay, 40 into cos 30 degree.
30.
So it is minus. So whatever answer you are getting, that will be minus. That is 34 point. How much?
34 point. So no sir.
64.
Not 3 sir. It's 64.
Okay, 64. 34.64. It is kilonewton. Next, one more is Fy. So what is how will you write the Fy?
This is gonna be positive, sir.
Fy is moving in the upward direction. This is Fy,
yes.
Correct? So this is
yes, sir.
Fx. So Fx, this is Fx. So how will be the Fy? Fy is equal to moving in upward direction. That's why it is positive.
Yes.
F
Sin theta.
F moving in positive and positive. F sin
40 sin 30.
30. Sin 30 is half. So you will get plus 20 kilonewton.
20.
This is correct answer. This is correct answer. Minus is correct. Okay. Most of the people have written positive. Okay. Clear this one? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Anyone is
sir.
having any doubt?
सर cos 20 sin 20 का कैसे निकालते हैं वैल्यू?
Cos 20 sin 20.
वैल्यू कैसे?
तो कैलकुलेटर में मिलता है ना cos 30 डायरेक्टली cos 30 वैल्यू डायरेक्टली पुट अप करने का कैलकुलेटर में, उसका वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं करने का, डायरेक्टली यू हैव टू राइट 40 into cos 30, 40 into cos 30, here 40 into sin 30 डायरेक्टली लिखने का.
ठीक है सर.
नेक्स्ट So one more problem was given. That was how much? How it was?
Fifth number, sir.
Fifth problem. So resolve the force. So I will resolve here only. So 20 kilonewton inclined at
150 degrees.
it was a 150 degrees. See how
मतलब
to write.
second quadrant में आएगा ना sir?
It's just see. I will draw this one. So this is quadrant 150 kilonewton, 150 degrees. It is in second quadrant. Yes, good. It is in second quadrant. So second quadrant means it will start and it will see with axis and acting towards the point. Acting towards the point मतलब it is
Origin की तरफ.
origin. So towards the origin.
Origin की तरफ.
The force is acting like this. How much is the value? Value कितना है वो?
20 newtons.
20 kilonewton. So 20 kilonewton force is acting in this direction and this angle is given. How much is this angle? This angle is 150
degrees.
I want the angle. This is with respect to horizontal. With respect to horizontal, how will you find out?
150 minus 180.
Yes.
180
This is
180 minus
theta.
150. Yes.
So if theta is equal to 180 is total from year to year, it is 180 minus 150. Minus 150 degree. You will get 30 degrees. And now tell me. Now this is component. How will you write this component? So it is acting towards the point, correct? It is moving positive direction, right hand side or left hand side?
Fx positive, sir.
Fx
And
is
Fy
right
negative.
hand side. And this is Fy direction.
Fy negative.
Fy direction.
Yes,
Correct?
negative. Yes.
Next. So now I want to find out the Fx and Fy. So how will you find out the Fx? So this is the Fx point. So this is Fx. So Fx is equal to, wait a minute.
Positive.
So this is Fx is equal to, Fx is moving in positive direction. It is plus.
Plus
F. Force? It is 20 kilonewton.
20.
Into
20.
cos 30 degree.
30.
Okay. So
30
this will be answer. Next, what is Fy? Fy is moving in upward direction.
Downwards, negative.
Downward. So it is negative 20. Cos or sin? No?
Sin.
Sin 30. So
30.
that you will get answer. This is minus 10 kilonewton. And what about this one? 20 cos 30?
17.32.
17.32. Plus or minus?
It
is plus kilonewton.
Plus.
Okay. So these are the answers. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If anybody is having any doubt, confusion, ये दोनों problem में?
No, sir.
No, sir.
See, these are the basic problems. Okay, you have to understand. Don't get confusion anywhere. If you have any doubt, you have to ask me now only. Okay, sixth one. Will we take? Shall we take the sixth one?
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
रिपीट करा ना, लास्ट लेक्चरला नव्हतं.
लास्ट लेक्चर में नहीं थे क्या?
हाँ सर.
What is your number?
33.
33. Okay. See, the force 20 kilonewton is acting towards the point or away from the point. ये problem दिया उन्होंने. Acting, force is acting towards the point, means towards the origin. So this is the origin, correct? So a force है 20 kilonewton is acting towards the origin. Okay. So इसका horizontal component, this is horizontal and this is vertical. ये horizontal कैसे जा रहे हैं? वो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में जा रहेगा, नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं. Fx.
पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन.
That is right hand side है तो पॉजिटिव, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है तो नेगेटिव. Okay. So this is Fx. Fx is positive. Okay. This is positive. Next, Fy. Fy is moving downward direction. Downward direction is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. That's why I have taken negative. So if you are attending first time now, so wait for the some more. We will solve 2 more problems. You will come to know. See,
Okay, sir.
Sixth problem. Sixth problem क्या है? Resolve a force of 25 Newton. 25 Newton acting southeast and away from the point. Southeast. All of you write down this one. Sixth one. All of you write down. Yes, write down all of you. Sixth one. Resolve a force of 25 Newton. I will write here. Resolve a force of 25 Newton. So for 25 Newton acting southeast and away from the point. Acting southeast. Acting southeast. Acting southeast and away from the point. Away from the point. Okay. See, all of you concentrate. So first and foremost, what I need to do? I have to draw the coordinates. So this is the coordinate. Coordinate. 25 Newton southeast. So first you have to write the what is east west. What is this one? This is north.
North.
This is east. So this is south. And this is west.
West.
हाँ हमारा फोर्स कौन सा क्वाड्रेंट में है? साउथ ईस्ट में.
Southeast.
Okay. How will be the southwest? So southwest will
Fourth.
be in south and east. This is the quadrant. So this is the force like this. Wait. So force is moving like this. Okay. This is the southeast. Now it is acting towards the point or away from the point? He has given away from the point. Away from the point means it is the arrow mark is here. Okay. So this is the arrow mark of the force. How much it is? It is 25 Newton. Okay. Can you tell me with respect to horizon how much is the angle? This angle?
45.
Yes.
45 degree.
45 degree. Okay. Everyone. And now this force is horizontal component. How to find out the horizontal component? So horizontal component I need to find out. So
Yes.
Fx is equal to horizontal means positive direction.
Positive.
X or negative X?
Positive.
Positive.
X. So it is plus how much is the force?
25. Cos 45.
45 degree. Okay. And what about the vertical component? You have to write this one. Horizontal component is horizontal component. Horizontal component. Next one is this is vertical component. Vertical component. Okay. What is the vertical component? Formula also you have to write. Okay. That is F sin theta. Vertical component C. Vertical downward में जा रहे क्या upward में जा रहे?
Downwards.
Downward direction. Downward is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
Minus 25 sin 45.
Sin 45.
Sin 45.
45.
Okay. So calculate. How much is the answer? Calculate. All of you.
17.67.
17.67. Okay. Fx is positive. So this
Positive.
is Newton because he has given Newton. This is the answer.
Minus
17. Same, just
Newton.
minus.
Okay. Is it clear everyone? सभी को clear हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Those who are not understood, ask me now only. Okay.
सर
Okay.
cos कधी आणि sin कधी घ्यायचं असतं?
Cos कब use करने का? When the horizontal force. Okay. Whenever he is asking about the horizontal में है तो cos लेने का, vertical है तो sin लेने का. Clear everyone?
Okay. Yes.
Yes. Always horizontal component. Fx component is cos theta. Fy component is sin theta. Yes. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Have you written? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Write this one. Okay. So we will move on to the next problem.
Wait a minute, sir.
Okay. All of you write in your notebook. Okay. Don't wait for the PPT or the video. Okay. Because I am writing on the whiteboard. Whenever I am writing, you have to write this one. Because now onwards.
Yes, sir, I am writing already.
Now what? क्या बोल रहे? Yes, something you were telling.
He said that he already wrote, sir.
Okay, no problem. See, if you are getting any problem, you have to ask me. Next, whatever I am writing on the white screen, you have to write it whiteboard में. Okay, because now the PPT or theory concept is very less. Here maximum is problematic only. That's why I used to use the white screen board. So I have to write all the things. See next one problem. So what is the next problem? Okay, this 6th one हो गया ना. Next 7th. Resolve a force of 100 Newton acting 35 degrees west south acting away from the point. See west south मतलब कौन सा quadrant है वो? South west quadrant. Third quadrant. 35 degree and 100 Newton. So all of you read this problem and you have to solve and you have to get me the answer in the next class. Okay, this is homework. All of you read this one. So I will solve this problem in the next class. Okay, so all of you read this one.
सर नेहमी पुढचा अँगल मायनस करायचा का? समजा 250 असेल अँगल तर 270 मधून मायनस करायचा ना?
हिंदी में पूछते क्या?
हम्म,
ओके 270 में क्या हुआ? हाँ बोलिए.
जर
क्या
200
हुआ?
अँगल असेल दिला असेल
हाँ
तर
200 एंगल. हाँ
तर
ओके
मायनस
हाँ ओके आई गॉट योर डाउट. ओके this is 200 आई. ओके 200 आई तो ओके आई विल टेक. सो इफ देयर इज अ फोर्स ये 200 आई तो
येस
ओके
मायनस कशातून करायचं?
देखो इधर से इधर तक कितना गया? दिस इज 200 दिया उधर ना. यही आप पूछ रहे हैं ना. दिस इज 200. सो 270 में क्या माइनस करना है क्या? और 180 माइनस करना है वो पूछ रहे हैं ना आप?
येस सर.
अभी देखो मेरा हॉरिजॉन्टल एंगल इधर से इधर तक है. ओके दिस इज माय हॉरिजॉन्टल एंगल थीटा. आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट दिस एंगल. ये एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है तो 200 में 180 माइनस करने का है ना. दिस इज फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर इट इज.
येस सर.
From the year to year it is 200. From year to year it is how much? It is 180. Okay, मुझे ए चाहिए थीटा. सो थीटा कैसे फाइंड आउट करते थे? थीटा इज इक्वल टू 200 में ऐसे. सो 180 माइनस करने का. सो ए फाइंड आउट करने का नहीं. दिस इज नॉट आई वांट बिकॉज थीटा इज ऑलवेज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू
मागचा अँगल घ्यायचा का मग?
हाँ थीटा इज ऑलवेज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हॉरिजॉन्टल. ओके हॉरिजॉन्टल एंगल से मेजर करने का रहता.
ओके ठीक.
Any doubt? Anyone? Okay, you just take this is on homework. Okay, I will solve this problem in the next class. You have to solve and we will cross verify the answers. Okay, next. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more, there is a law. So till now you have studied the some of the laws. What are the different laws you have studied? Newton's laws of motion you have seen. No, correct. First law, second law, third law, and Newton's law of gravitation you have studied. Next कौन सा law study कर दिया? Law of conservation of momentum. Next one is
Gravitation.
law of Newton's law of gravitation. Next one is
Law of transmissivity of force.
law of transmissivity of forces. In the same way, there are two more laws. First one is law of parallelogram of two forces. So all of you read on this one. This is important for the examination point of view. All of you read on this one. Law of parallelogram of forces. Law of parallelogram of forces. Law of parallelogram of forces. Okay, read on the statement. The law of parallelogram of two forces states that if two vectors, or you can also say it is two forces, write it as a two forces. If two forces acting on a particle at the same time are represented in magnitude and direction and direction by two adjacent sides of a parallelogram drawn from point their resultant is represented by the diagonal of the parallelogram drawn from the same point. Yes, I know you are not understood this. What is this? Okay, I will explain this one. Yeah. See, what is resultant? Resultant means it will give the same effect of that its component. Okay, see, all of you look at the figure. Is it visible figure, Sabiko?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there is a body here. Okay, I will take there is one body. So consider there is a one body. A body में A P एक force है और Q एक force है. Okay, there is a rigid body. This body is acted two forces, P को एक force and Q एक force. ये दोनों को बीच में एंगल कितना है? That is theta is equal to theta. दोनों का बीच में जो एंगल है that is theta. These two forces P and Q are represented as a sides, adjacent sides of a parallelogram. ये एक पैरेललोग्राम हुआ है ना, सो मैंने क्या करते हैं ये एक्सटेंड करके ये P को जो पैरेलल इधर ड्रॉ करते हैं, ये Q को जो पैरेलल इधर ड्रॉ करते हैं, सो दैट O A C B O दिस इज एक पैरेललोग्राम हो गया ना. सो व्हेन ए रिजिड बॉडी इज सब्जेक्टेड टू ए two forces कौन सा P and Q. These two forces are represented as a sides of a adjacent sides of a parallelogram. And ये दोनों का रिजल्टेंट क्या है? The resultant is their diagonal. So that is what the statement is. Okay. See statement. One second, I will read it. आपको समझ में आएगा. The law of parallelogram of two forces states that if two vector or two forces acting on a particle at the same time are represented in magnitude and direction by the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Correct? एक बॉडी है उसके ऊपर दो फोर्सेस है, वो दोनों फोर्स मैग्नीट्यूड है, डायरेक्शंस है. ओके, those two forces are represented as a adjacent sides of a parallelogram drawn from the point their resultant. उसका रिजल्टेंट क्या है? It is represented by the diagonal of the parallelogram drawn from the same point. Okay. Once again, I will explain this diagram. There is a force P. Okay, and there is a force Q. These two are acting at a point O, and these two forces are represented as adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Their resultant is diagonal. Of the parallelogram taken at acting at a same point. ये जो point है ना, वही point में resultant रहता. Okay, so if P is given, okay, Q is given, दोनों के बीच में जो angle है theta is given. So how to find out the resultant? So this is a derivation. So derivation है, वो derivation हम बाद में करेंगे. Just what is the formula you will see. So resultant formula is under root of square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Okay, this is very important formula. You have to remember. By taking this one formula, we are going to solve so many problems. So if there are two forces, you have to go with the law of parallelogram of forces. What is the resultant force? And all of you tell. Okay, so unmute and tell equation. Resultant R is equal to under root of
under root p
p
square
square
plus
plus
P
q
square
square plus
plus
2pq
cos theta.
cos theta. Okay, so ये direction कहाँ सा? So resultant है ना? ये resultant is making an angle alpha with respect to horizontal. That alpha is called as direction of the resultant. Okay, in which direction this resultant force is moving? That resultant is alpha. So that alpha is tan inverse of inside the bracket tan inverse of q sin theta divided by p plus q cos theta. Q sin theta divided by p plus q cos theta, so that you will get one angle that is with respect to horizontal. Okay, see where r is the magnitude of the resultant. Okay, magnitude of the resultant. Alpha is the direction of the resultant force. P is the magnitude of the vector p or force p. Q is the magnitude of the force q, and theta is the angle between the two forces. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, in
Yes,
case
sir.
instead of P and Q, if I take force 1 and force 2, F1 and F2. So how will you write this one? Resultant force. Yes, instead of P and Q, R is equal to under root of
F1 square
F1 square
F1 square plus
plus
F2 square plus
2 square
V
plus
F1
2 times F1 F2 into cos theta. Okay. Next, how will you write the direction? Tell. Alpha is equal to? Yes. This is the time to speak. All of you. Tell me the direction. Okay. So either P था, either Q था. So मैंने क्या लिख दिया? This is F1. Okay, F1. This is F2.